This spread out over the edges. See if we can cover up the marks that are on this canvas. I'm not sure. I think I bought this canvas as a package from somebody on an online selling thing, like a swap shop type thing, and they were new in the box, but some of them had gotten a little damaged on the corners. This is maybe one that I have left, so we'll see how it does. It's nice and spread out. Like I said, I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't know if the colors are going to look good together. I might end up, after the fact, scraping it off and redoing it, if it looks that bad. Oh, I think this is good. I don't want too much paint on here because I got a full cup. I'm not real sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I use treadmill silicone. I can't even remember if this has any silicone in it. So I'm gonna give it just a couple drops of silicone. And I am gonna give it a little stir because there's so many different colors in here. I kind of want to get them kind of mixed up together. Looks good in the cup. There's a lot of gray on the bottom, I believe, if I can remember right. I think I'll tip the canvas a little bit. Let's start up here, maybe just go across. See how it goes. See what the colors bring. Let's see. Well, the colors aren't too bad, I guess. Not yet. Let's see if we can get it to go this way. Oops. Cover these edges. I don't really care for that gray, so we'll let it go off the edge some. Okay, great. Let's try this way. We can get that. Let's bring it back some. Trying to be careful so I don't get it all over the floor and the plastic and everything else that... Okay, I got this area down here that I need to bring down. I'll just try that a little bit. You probably can't see this since I've having to hold it up so far. Maybe to get this, probably blocking the whole camera, aren't I? And it's coming down. There we go. There we are. There. And I got all the corners and... Well, it's better than I thought it would be. Let's check all the sides and make sure everything's kosher. Well, let's see. Over here. Looks like everything's really good. I poured all over my spatula. I don't know. I'm not real happy with the gray color. I like this white up here. And the rust color. And the blue. I do like that. Don't really care for this over here. Let's see what kind of paint I have left. maybe we can, I think all that's going to come out is more gray. Let's give it a try. Yep, mostly all I had was gray in there. And that was the bottom of the cup. And that's way too much paint on that corner. Let's try and get it off. Looks like I got a goober in there. Let's see, whoops. Touch them up a little bit. I'm not sure about this. Guess I can let it dry, and got a little bit of bare spots that I need to put some paint on. Hands are a mess. Rag. This is the first day back from our camping trip, so I'm kind of bummed. Didn't want to come home at all. Love it out there. Love it out in the woods. Let's give it a torch and see what happens. Actually, I have a heat gun that works so much better. I forgot to plug it in. Let me see if I can get it plugged in real quick. I'd rather use it. There we go. I'll be right back. There we are. I'm back. I got a short cord on this baby. Okay. Pull this down some, see what the heat gun does. I'm gonna have to get a longer cord. I can't reach the top of the bigger canvases. You gotta be careful with the heat gun because it stays hot afterwards. You can't lay it down on something plastic. Do the top with this, with my torch. See what happens. Okay. I got some bare spots. I never can tell if they're bare spots or if they are white showing through. But we cover them up just in case. Well, I'd love to know what you think about this one. Whether it's a keeper or whether I should just kind of paint over it sometime. It's got a while before it'll be dry, so I have a while to decide what's going on. And I would really like your comments on it, whether you think I should go ahead and keep it or whether I should try and paint over it sometime. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe and hit the little bell, and it'll tell you when I have a new video coming out. Thumbs up would be great, and share with all your friends so that I can get some more subscribers and finally get my own personal YouTube channel. So this is Lisa with Joyfully Art. As always, the description below will tell you the paint colors and all that good stuff. So I'll be signing off now. You have a great week. See ya.